our outdoor body bands workout. 12 minutes non-stop activating the glutes, the core. What's up, everybody? Tommy Cassano, founder of Outdoor Body, here in Great Sand Dunes National Park. Remember, this is 12 minutes non-stop. You can always repeat it. Do 2 rounds, mobility before, stretching after. So first and foremost, grab yourself your band. I don't like too much resistance, just enough where you can get a movement in for a minimum 30 seconds and feel that burn. You don't want it too tight or you can't get enough range of motion. So grabbing your band, bringing it down, putting it right below the knees, right above the top of the calves. We're gonna start off with 1 minute non-stop of side to side. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Open, open, side to side. Let's go. We're getting it. Remember, all these exercises, belly button to spine, squeezing the core tight. We're in Great Sand Dunes. It's a beautiful summer day. We got the Sangre de Cristos mountains right behind us. It is the most southern part of the Rockies. Remember, squeezing those glutes tight. People are going dune sledding behind us. These are the tallest dunes in North America, 750 feet star dunes. Let's go. Squeezing tight, bending down, 15 seconds. 10 seconds, come on. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna go side shuffle, side to side. About 3, 2, 1, 5 each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 2. It's starting to heat up. It's perfect. It's summertime. Great Sand Dunes. It's like central, eastern, southern Colorado. If you know where Durango is, it's 3 hours due east of Durango, a couple hours south of Denver. Come on. Remember, everything we do here, we're squeezing. Belly button to spine, glutes super tight. 15 seconds. Come on. Everything's a minute. It's gonna be a burner. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So we're gonna go back, side. Right side first. Back on a 45-degree angle, side. Let's go. Back, side. Come on. 45, side. You can have a slight bend in your left knee, 45 degrees. Then we're going straight to the side. Let's go. Making a little bit of an angle. Come on. Woo, 1 minute. I told you we're burning. Cute little buggy. Let's go. 15 seconds. Glutes on fire. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Left side. So out, 45-degree angle. Should look like this. Out, 45-degree angle. Put your hands on the hip. Out, 45 degrees. Let's go. Woo! Burning and churning. Come on. Out. You got this. 30 seconds. Ooh, let's get it. Almost there. Come on. Oh yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring in the band all the way down to the ankles. You're going to open super wide. I want your knees facing, almost your pinky toes open. Lock out. Open, super deep sumo squat, coming down. You should feel the pressure of that band forcing your legs to stick out. So feel that pressure coming out and coming in, activating the whole leg from the glutes, the hammies, adductors, all the way down through the calves. Come on. Ooh, 15 seconds. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Bringing the band above the knees, just like this. So once again, we're going to open up super wide. We're going to do our little duck walk back and forth. The key here, once again, is forcing your legs out. Well, I got a little hole in my band. Here we go. Squeezing. Let's go. 30 seconds. Core tight. Side. Oh yeah. Activation of those glutes. Come on. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bringing the band back down. We are going forward, straight out. Squeezing the front quad on the right, but you will start feeling it on the back side of the left leg that is down, because that's what you're using to stabilize your whole body and balance and squeeze. Core tight, belly button to spine. We're going 1 minute. Let's go. 30 seconds left. Lock it out. I also like to dorsiflex the toes on this one, so point the toes straight up. Let's go. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Over exaggerate, flexing that quad. And time. Other side. Let's go. Just watch sometimes, for those of us that have leg hair, can get caught up with the band. Let's go. Squeezing tight. Flexing this glute, keeping this leg straight on the right, and flexing that quad on the left. Come on. Oh yeah. 30 seconds. Woo. 20 seconds. 15. 10. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Bringing these down a little bit more. We're on all fours. We're going side, raise to the right. We are going 1 minute non-stop. This is going to be a burner. You most likely won't get your leg all the way up 90 degrees. Go up to the point where it burns really bad. Coming back down. Let's go. This is slow. It's a minute non-stop. 30 seconds, come on. "20 seconds, almost there. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to straighten, bring the band down to the ankles. You want to straighten out that leg, and all you're doing is mini pulse. It's not going to come all the way up. All I want you to do, dorsiflex the right foot, focus on squeezing that right glute and hamstring, and all you're doing is pulsing straight up. It's going to be resistance. You're not going to be able to come up too far. All you want you to do is really over-exaggerate, isolating the glute and squeezing super tight. You also, once again, feel it on the left side, your stabilizer. Come on, core tight. We're almost there. Almost looks like I'm probably not even moving my leg, but I'm non-stop mini pulsing it. 10 seconds. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got our left side. Bring the band up a little bit closer to the calf. We got this bug. Here you go, bug. We got straight up. Let's go. Core tight, belly button to spine. Hey, buddy. There you go. Come on. 30 seconds. Woo! Burning and churning, heating up here in the Great Sand Dunes in Colorado. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the band all the way down to the ankles. Straighten that leg. This is our last minute. Finish strong. All we're doing is pulsing that glute. Let's go. Stabilize your core. Stabilize that right booty cheek. Come on. Baby micro pulse. Stay with me. Woo, 30 seconds. Almost there. Come on. 20 seconds. Let's get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Woo, that is it. Your 12-minute band workout, outdoor body here in Great Sand Dunes. Remember, you can do that 2 times, 24 minutes non-stop. Mobility before, stretching after. Super important for glute core activation. Love these band workouts. Make sure you're hitting it at least once or twice a week. Thank you for joining me in Great Sand Dunes National Park. Please come visit if you've never been. Stay consistent. Get after it each and every day. More importantly, stay wild. I'll see y'all next time for Outdoor Body Workout. Let's get it.